Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Emma in Costa Rica. Today we are back with Fourtrax Adventure Tours, and we are doing a little bit of a different adventure today. We're not going to be hitting up the ATVs like last week. As I mentioned in the previous videos, we are going to be doing a little bit of canyoning, going down waterfalls, and God knows what. There's like 7 different activities, and we're just at the base camp right now getting our equipment ready, so we have to go get ready. We're here with Ronald again today, my favorite cameraman. So let's go get our helmets and our buckles and all this junk on, and yeah, let's go get ready. Alright guys, we are ready. We're all dressed up. Ronald, you ready? Yes. We are getting into a back of a pickup right now so we can get to the spot where we start. I think we're starting. I think we're getting wet like right away. So we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so we just got off of the pickup truck and we're walking past the beautiful river. This is River Tocori. The name is in Spanish, but I'll call it river for now. So we're just walking to the first activity. I don't know how far we have to go. I honestly don't know very much about this, so we're all going to be experiencing it for the first time together. Activity. We have to climb up a tree basically. This one's like, I think this is the easiest one.
Quite honestly.
It's the easiest one? There's easier.
For a lot of people, this one's the hardest one.
What? We're gonna go up that ladder and I'm gonna see if I die or not. The hole.
So far, see.
This is just the first activity. I'm not shaking yet, but the next one. Listen. We're going flying.
¿Lista?
No.
Saluda a la cámara. ¡Excelente!
Alright, so we just finished the first zip line. We have to do like 2 more, I believe, and I think the last one, there's like, you have to use your hands to brake or something like that. My heart. And right now we're just waiting to go up this ladder here. Yeah, this is definitely full adventure, adrenaline. I don't even know. This is fun.
Bien. Bien.
We're so high up. Here we go. down to the waterfall. So we've gotten to the part where we need to rappel down a waterfall. We can't see shit from here. There's a little boy doing it, so I feel comfortable doing it, sort of. I'm nervous. Are you nervous? Not really. There's Ronald hanging. I'm going last. I'm like absolutely last. There's nobody here now. There he goes.
Eso, siéntate de a poquito, siéntese. Siéntese, siéntese. Ahí vamos, ahora sí, dale.
Called the monkey drop. I can barely see what's happening, but I think it includes free falling.
Oh my God! I wasn't ready!
The monkey drop. I don't know how well you guys can see me right now because everything's soaking wet. Right now we are walking. I think we're going to be doing like a tree repelling. Zipline. I have control. Okay, what's this one?
Sí, tree-top repelling.
Ay, ay, ay.
Es como el rappel de la catarata. Tú controlas.
That was fun. I think the last two activities are like my personal favorites because you have more control about what you're doing. Here comes Ronald. I think we're ready for lunch. Ronald didn't have breakfast. I did. Oh, this is so adventurous. Alright, we're back. We have the same lunch as the ATV tour. What is it? Arroz con pollo. Arroz con pollo.
Arroz con siempre.
Some beans. Some pasta salad. And some plantain. So, let's give it a try for you guys. Alright guys, so we are finished the adventure for today. I'm so full from that delicious lunch and I am exhausted. That was like a full morning of adventure and adrenaline rush. And I have done things that I've never done before in my life. I never thought I would do them. And it was so fun. Like, it was scary, of course, before you do it. You're just kind of like, what am I doing? In the end, I'm really glad that I pushed myself and I did it. If you guys have any questions or want to know anything about this tour, please do leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna leave all the details about the tour and the pricing and all that stuff right down in the description box. I'm also going to leave Ronald's Instagram and the ATV Fourtrax Adventure Tours Instagram there as well, so you guys can go and check them out on your own if you want to. And if you wanted to book these tours, just let me know. You can find me on Instagram, you can find me on Facebook, you can send me an email. That's all right there for you down below, and we can get you set up. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's adventure. If you enjoyed it and my other previous videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected and you can keep watching videos that I keep bringing to you guys about Costa Rica. Anyways, thanks so much guys, and I'll see you next time. Fourtrax Adventure Tour.
Knees up. And lean back. Adios, Emma.